Good afternoon everyone, I'm Samuel De Castro and I'll be discussing about luxury cars. What is the most expensive car in the world? The 1931 Bugatti Real Colonel Coupe was sold for $8,700,000 in 1987. However, this car is not included on this list because it is not available in the market today. Here are the top 3 most expensive street-legal production cars available on the market. The first one is the Bugatti Veyron Supersport, which cost $2,400,000. This is by far the most expensive street-legal production car available on the market today. It is the fastest accelerating car, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. It is also the fastest street-legal car when tested again on July 10, 2010, with the 2010 Super Sport version reaching a top speed of 267 miles per hour. The second one is the Aston Martin 177, which cost $1,850,000. The name 177 says it all. Beauty and power in one, but limited to 77 units. With 750 horsepower, it is able to travel from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds and reaching a maximum speed of 220 miles per hour. The third one is the Lamborghini Reventon, which cost $1.6 million. The most powerful and the most expensive Lamborghini ever built is the third on the list. It takes 3.3 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. It has a top speed of 211 miles per hour. Its rarity and sleek design are the reasons why it is so expensive and costly to own. A little trivia about cars. Do you know that the first engine-powered car was built in Mannheim, Germany by Carl Benz in 1885? Between 1888 and 1893, they sold a whopping 25 units. Thank you for listening. That's all. Have a nice day.